This case considered the issue of declarations of trust, and whether or not an oral declaration of trust to keep a property on trust for a man's brothers and sisters was a valid oral declaration of trust, or whether the Conveyancing Act required the transfer to be effected in writing. In this case, a man had given his house to his son a few months before he had died. At the father's funeral, the son made a promise to his brother and sister that he would live in the house and look after it for them all. The son later died, and the brothers and sisters sought a declaration that they had an interest in the land, based on the basis that the brothers' promise to them was an oral declaration of trust. The beneficiary under the will claimed the property was hers, and that the promise was not valid. The central issue for the court, therefore, was whether or not Section 23C of the Conveyancing Act, which required a transfer of land to be effected in writing, was a defence to the claim for the interest in the property by the man's brothers and sisters. The court ultimately held